Welcome back to Corvette Warehouse. My name is Jason with Front Seat Driver. Today we have a 2015 Corvette Stingray Z51. This one has 11,637 miles. It is $52,995. It's a 3LT and it has chrome badging all around. This one has the NPP exhaust, which is great. If you're ever leaving early in the morning, you can go ahead and throw it into stealth mode, or you can keep it where baffles are open and it is loud. But check this out, black wheels, bright red brake calipers. Another great spec because it has the carbon flash black racing stripes running the length of the car. Step back and give you a nice view of it. But this is a really nice looking spec. Carbon flash black on the mirrors, carbon flash black on the spoiler here. But again, there's those racing stripes. Very cool with the black roof on here too. I like that look. And this is also the transparent roof. I don't know if you can see through it. You can hear it tapping and see my hand. Transparent roof. But let's take a look at the interior. So looking at the inside, you are greeted with a Corvette right here on the door sill plate with the C7 flag. This one has the GT seats, which are very comfortable. And of course, as I always like to show you guys, press this button right here that says screen right there, and you can lower it to put any concealables in there. Press that button again, it raises back up. You have storage under the armrest, storage in the doors. You have a glove box over there underneath the two vents, but check it out so you can see through the roof right there. This is also a targa top and it is removable. But one of the great things about this being a 3LT is all of this is microfiber suede, Alcantara, whichever you would like to call it, the A pillars, B pillars, all of it covered in suede. Very, very nice looking. Let's take a look under the hood. So we have the 6.2 liter V8 right here from Corvette. General Motors, you have the C7 flag embossed underneath the hood liner right here, but very, very clean. And this car is available right now at Corvette Warehouse in Dallas.